Hello everybody and welcome back to my kitchen. My kitchen. So today what we're doing is something that I have absolutely no idea how to make. I'm winging it because that's what we do in this kitchen. We're like, yeah, that seems like a great idea, no idea how to make it, kind of Google it a little bit, not really, and then just be like, yeah, I think that'll work. So what we're making today is lemon sorbet. That's one of my favorite treatsies actually. Fingers crossed, hoping that this works because otherwise I've wasted 10 lemons. So what we're going to be using is, I don't know how many lemons actually, it's like 10 or 9 lemons. And I've peeled them all and broken them up a little bit. And we're going to use a cup of water and some honey. So 3 ingredients sorbet. I can't imagine it's much more than that. I'm not using sugar because I don't want to use sugar, I want to use honey. So we're using honey. So what we're gonna do is boil these up, well, more heat these up in some water and get those skins off, and yeah, that's that. Let's get doing that thing, yeah. Let's get some wild hair. Here we go, a couple of wild hair. And let's put it on the back. No, that burner's fine. We're just gonna heat those lemons up and stir them, and we're gonna try and get like all of these extra bits off, so it's just the pulp bits left. I don't know if this will work. Let's see. Huh. I have also picked all the seeds out of these, I think. I hope. If I haven't, I will pick them out as I go. So let's see what happens. I'm also just going to squish them up, try and get those skins up a little bit more. Alright, so now that that is pretty well mushed up, what I'm going to do is get a sieve and squish it through, just so I can pull out any unseemly chunks and whatnot, and any remaining seeds I may have missed. Alright, so now I'm going to get some honey, and gosh, I don't know, so maybe 3 tablespoons? If you can't get the lid to open, just take the whole thing off. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to take that off the heat, and what I'm going to do is give it a quick blitz, because I'm sure I've got most of the nasties out. Whoops. Whoops, that's hot. Okay, so I'm now going to leave that to cool, move it into an ice cream tub, and then pop it in the freezer for about 4 hours to chill and to freeze the sorbet. So it should be nice and smooth and delicious. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in 4 hours and see how this has turned out. All right. Okay, so it's been in the freezer for a while. And the fun thing is, ignore that, it doesn't exist. Like, squish, 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 yuck. That's gonna be pretty sour. Let's get a spoon. A spoon. Give it a shot. Let's see, shall we? Sour. Just a little bit too sour and bitter. I can eat lemons, not this. I think this needs to be melted down and reworked. But this was a failure of note. I'll workshop it, I'll fix it, I'll save it. But today is not that day. Because I've got too much to do. So don't try this one. It was a failure. It was a flop. It was Heather cooking in an attempt to make something that she'd never made before without any proper instruction. And it went bad. It went so bad. So yeah, don't do this one. That's that for this video. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of it down in the comment section below. Let me know if you want to see the process of me trying to fix this. If you do, cool, leave a thumbs up. If you don't, let me know. I don't know. If you would like to support me on this channel, then please subscribe. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.